look at the top golf courses in Opelika and the area around it here in Alabama. Starting off with Saugahatchee Country Club. This was established by Ward Northrup in 1977. It's a well-known, established private golf course serving the Auburn Opelika Valley, not Valley, community, and 18-hole golf course, well known as a parkland style course. Definitely one to get us in the right direction. Tree-lined fairways and a traditional strong reputation as being one of the more prestigious golf courses in the area. Taking a look now as we quickly move through this list, we have to swing on in to Pine Crossing Golf Club, formerly known as Indian Pines Golf Course. It's seen a lot of changes when it was first a 9-hole golf course in 1946. It was sold to the cities of Auburn and Opelika in 1976 and is currently operating since then as a municipal golf course. It has underwent major renovations in 2023 by Bill Amick and continues to make changes with the Auburn University Regional Airport expansion that took place here at this facility. It really is between the borders of two cities coming together for amazing golf, and something like that makes you want to go down in the comment section and write down the courses that you think we should have had on this list or a little bit higher on this list. We definitely want to turn this into a Reddit type feel, so any information that you can provide as we quickly make updates on the near future to this video, we definitely want to hear from you. Let's close this list out with our number one golf course for this area, and definitely a traditional course that makes you want to figure out what other courses there are in this area, because this has 54 holes to choose from. So there's enough golf just to keep you occupied here at Robert Trent Jones Trail, the Grand National. This is one of 11 original sites from the legendary Robert Trent Jones Golf Trail and is a state-funded initiative for golf tourism in Alabama. This Robert Trent Jones Sr. has single-handedly one of the top destinations in the area in a golf complex like you've never seen before. Established in 1992, it was one of the first golf courses on the trail. Robert Trent Jones Sr. helped build it with the expansion of some other people, and currently has 54 holes to choose from. The lake course, which is known for being famous for about 600 acres of lake, and also a stunning par 3 island green on number 15, hosted some big events like the PGA Barstool Golf Championship. It's highly recognized as one of the top destinations in Alabama, and that's also the links course is a good one as well. But more importantly, you have the short course to go out there and play. That's going to do it for our video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we consistently try to make updates in the near future. We also want to turn this into a Reddit type feel, so any information that you can provide on these golf courses as we make updates in the near future would be greatly appreciated. That's it for this list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here with the Professor, an independent golf channel, bringing you the top destinations in your area for golf. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.